Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem featured photo is not appearing on your Facebook account. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you have to do is you have to go to the Play Store and you have to search for Facebook application and make sure your Facebook application is up to date. If it's not, you have to update your Facebook application like I need. After updating your Facebook application, tap and hold your Facebook application, then go to app info option and go to the permission section and make sure files and media permissions are allowed. If those are not allowed, tap on allow access to media only. So that's how it can access to your photo. And the third thing is you can force stop it from the bottom options or any other place where the force stop button appears. Then go to the storage and cache option, then clear the storage and clear the cache. After that, still if you are facing any problem, you have to go to the Facebook application again, then you have to tap on your icon button, then scroll to the bottom, then help and support, then tap report a problem, then click OK. After that you have to report a problem about this, like I'm not getting the featured photo, can you please help me, like that. Okay, you can see a button continue to report a problem to the bottom bar. Tap on it. So you can just continue the process and you can upload any screenshot of your featured photo or where your featured photo should appear. Then you can ask customer care service. So that's all about today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.